Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give.
A good average size mansion should range from 12 million all the way to around 15 million. But an excellent one should range from 15 million all the way to 20 million Kenya shillings. And this is where this estate falls. It is an estate of 5 big mansions with a print area of 260 square meters each, and each mansion is going for 18.5 million Kenya shillings. The fact that each home has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot, you are getting this piece of land where you can do your greenery, you can do your front yard, all your flowers. And that's why you can see a gunia there full of compost manure just to make sure that your garden is perfect by the time you are coming here. Each home is a 3-level unit, and it comes with a basement on this side which can be used as an office or a study, or maybe you can use it as an extra bedroom. The other part of the garden is this one, and it is being used to act as a 3-car parking. Very well done. I love the work on the cabros, and you have a tank over here which will be taken to the roof deck to maintain optimum pressure. Let's talk about the beauty of these units. How do you like them? Do you think the developer has done a good job to finish these units this way? By the way, these units are giving you an extra room which can be used as a family room, and they also come with an SQ. This is a gated estate of many units from different formats and from people of different backgrounds. Ngong is a cosmopolitan, so it doesn't matter where you come from, this would be a perfect place for you. Today I'm going to showcase this unit without shoes, and one reason for that is because I love the feel of this wood. It has been done very well. I love the pattern, I love the craftsmanship, and I love the color of this African natural treated wood. On this other side we have a traditional chimney, and because we are in Ngong, it is always very easy for you to get firewood. So if the unit becomes a bit cold, you can lit your fire and enjoy life like the old days. On this other side you are getting these 2 big windows for maximum natural light. I like it that the developer has worked on the night lighting with a center light. There is some mood lights that are not lit, and you have some recess lights. I wanted to tell you the truth. The reason why I don't have shoes is because the security guy have refused me to wear them. He insisted that today is the day that you criticize my feet. On my far front you have the dining area of this unit, but before we see that, let's go to the entrance and see the quality of the door that we have for these units. First, you are getting a hardwood oak door, and if that is not enough, you are getting a metal grille casement door which will maximize the security of this unit. Having the confidence of good security is always a plus. Right now we are in the dining area of this unit, and I like it because it has been done very well. The fact that it is just next to the kitchen makes it very easy for the people in the dining area to be served some food. It comes with a small vanity on this side that comes with several compartments for your hand washing detergents, and it is big enough for 2 people to wash their hands as they are preparing to eat the food. This unit comes with a lot of wood finishing. You can see part of that work on the window frames. You are also getting these coverings on the columns, and all this is hardwood. I like it that the developer was very keen on quality. The kitchen has been done very well. This is all wood but painted black. The kitchen comes with grey granite countertops. You are also getting white cabinetry which are equally distributed to the higher side of the kitchen and the lower sides. You are also getting some directional lights over here to create a good ambience for the breakfast table. The kitchen is of a big size, done very well, coming with a double sink that is next to the window. Behind me you have a pantry where your refrigerator should be kept, and a cutout will be made over here for your 6-burner cooktop. If you like a hood, this is where it should be installed. This door is taking you to the laundry area and the employee quarters. But before we see that, this kitchen comes with a pantry, partitioned very well, big enough for all your dry foods. And I'm loving it that it is just an extension of the kitchen, so you may not notify it is there until you visit it. The laundry area is a well-done place with a space big enough to fit 3 or 4 washing machines, and this space is opening to this door where you have your clotheslines area. We will see that later. The laundry area floor is the only tiled space. This is the door that is taking you to the clotheslines area, and you have another door here which is welcoming you to the employee quarters. The employee quarters is a 1-bedroom unit done very well, coming with a wooden floor. The same quality has been maintained, and the room is big enough for 1 or 2 employees. Its bathroom is over here. The rear side of this unit is better than the front. On my left hand side, you have a space which has been reserved for your clotheslines area, and it comes with a small garden. You have the kitchen garden on my far front, which goes to connect with the front yard on the other side. Now that you have seen a bigger portion of this unit, do you think it is competitive enough to win your heart? Do you think that the developer has done enough work on the finishings to demand 18 million that he is requesting? If yes, make sure you comment below. And by the way, we have checked our statistics and we have noticed that 80% of you have not subscribed to this channel. It is your high time to become a member of the African real estate family. On this side, you have a staircase that is supposed to take you to the upper level. That's where we have the family room and the bedroom areas. Next to this staircase, you have the common washroom. It is massive and done very well. And behind me, you have an access to the guest bedroom. Wow. The size of the guest bedroom is big enough for a normal guest or maybe 2 guests who are friends or relatives. The closet has been done very well, around 2 meters, and it is floor to ceiling. The quality and the colors of the closet is top notch, and the partitionings have been done very well. On this other side, you have the guest bathroom, done very well, and it is coming with a WC at the center, a showering area on my right hand side, and a wash basin on my left hand side. African real estate has a good balance of criticizers and good followers, and most of you complain that the houses that we showcase do not have a good balance of woodwork and stonework. This is an exception, so if you are ready to criticize, this is the moment that you have been waiting for. If you would want to see the details of this unit and many more in Ngong town and other localities, make sure you visit our website africanrealestate.com. And there are some of you who are still buying houses without doing due diligence. Make sure you talk to us and we will give you a good overview of the structural strengthness and the legality of the unit that you want to buy. We just charge you a few coins. Right now, we are in the primary bedroom, and from there you can agree with me that it has been done very well. You have a closet that runs from here all the way to this edge, and it has been partitioned very well to fit you and your partner. This should be your sleeping area, and it is big enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed, and it has been denoted by this molding that has been done over here. This is real wood, done very well. I like it that you are getting 3 big windows, one on that side, and you have a set of 2 windows just to make sure that you are getting the best sun rays during the morning hours. On this other side, you have a dresser and a space that has been reserved for your shoes. The primary bathroom is the biggest, coming with a vanity on my far front. A WC is at the center, and the quality of it is good. You have a massive shower cubicle that will fit 2 people, and as you can see, all the bathrooms in this unit comes with a rain shower. This is the primary balcony, and it is giving you a very good view of Ngong locality. As you can see, the area is very green, the breeze is very fresh, and the balcony is massive to the extent that you can add 2 chairs here and enjoy the evening sunset. From the primary bedroom, this is the first kid's bedroom. The space has been done very well. The closet is flashing with the wall just to make sure that it is giving you a very good sleeping space which is square and regular for you to do your bed. The bathroom is here, adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the primary bedroom, but the difference is that this one is small in size. The family room has a weird design because it opens to the second kid's bedroom on my far front, and next to that you have a door that opens to the balcony. We will see that later. I'm loving the size of this space and the fact that it is on the first level. It gives you a lot of privacy as a family to enjoy your family conversations or your family activities together. The family room balcony is sizable, but what you can't get enough of is this greenery that comes with this locality. As I mentioned, the second kid's bedroom can't be accessed from the family room. Its bathroom is behind this door. The sleeping area is here, and the bedroom is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed. This bedroom comes with its closet here and a window there to give you enough natural light. I am loving the size of the closets. The ability for them to start from there up to the highest point gives you enough space to store your clothes and other things like your suitcases or maybe your shopping bags. This is one part of the roof deck, and it has been done very well. The size is around 100 square meters, and you are getting a solar water heater on this side. And it is crazy. The water is boiling right now. Just wait. You see? It's crazy hot. On this other side, you have an external bathroom. On top of the staircase, you have an extra tank, and on my far front, you have the best views of Ngong Hills from this side. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you have a potential of buying such a home, kindly tell us what you would want us to plant here so that by the time you are coming to purchase it, it will be all grown. I would suggest we do some kales and some spinach because I love eating. But for others like you, I know that the preferences may differ. So I'll be waiting for your comments. Anyway, that's all for today. We will see you in the next one.